Codeforces is a popular online platform for competitive programming and coding challenges. It allows users to participate in various contests, hackathons, and coding challenges where they can showcase their coding skills and compete with others. The platform is known for its high-level problems, fast judging, and real-time scoring. Things you should know before starting to make money online with Codeforces in 2024. 1. Competition. Codeforces is highly competitive, with many talented programmers participating. To succeed, you need to have strong coding skills, problem-solving abilities, and good understanding of algorithms and data structures. 2. Contest format. Codeforces contests usually follow a specific format where you have a set amount of time, for example, 2 hours, to solve a set of problems. The contest is divided into rounds, and you can submit your solutions to get feedback and scoring. 3. Rating system. Codeforces has a rating system that tracks your performance in contests. The rating is based on your performance in each contest, and it's used to determine your position in the rankings. 4. Monetization. While Codeforces itself doesn't offer direct monetization opportunities, you can use your skills and experience to make money online by freelancing or offering your services as a freelance developer, participating in online coding challenges and competitions that offer prizes or cash rewards, creating and selling online courses or tutorials on programming topics, and building your own projects or startups and monetizing them through advertising, sponsorships, or sales. 5. Time commitment. To succeed on Codeforces, you'll need to dedicate time to practicing, learning, and improving your coding skills. This can be challenging, especially if you're balancing it with other responsibilities or work commitments. 6. Community involvement. The Codeforces community is active and supportive. Engage with others by participating in discussions, sharing knowledge, and helping others to build connections and improve your skills. 7. Staying up to date. Keep up to date with the latest developments in the programming world by following industry leaders, attending conferences or meetups, and reading relevant blogs and articles. By understanding these aspects of Codeforces, you can set yourself up for success and make the most of this platform to make money online in 2024.